Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a new credit card to Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect a new credit card to Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, go ahead into the Grubhub app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, click on Account. Next, you're going to click on Payment, which is located underneath Password. Afterwards, click on Add a new payment, and then this is where you're going to select Cash App, Credit Card, Amazon Pay, or PayPal. Click on Credit Card, and then this is where you're going to enter your credit card information, and then click on Done. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a new credit card to Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all